My name is Paulo Tenorio. I'm the CEO and founder of Trakto. Super excited to show you our integration with Dropbox. So let's get started. First, I created a folder here called Product Hunt Demo. I'm gonna double click and I have a bunch of different photos. They are on JPEG formats, also PNG, but I'm gonna start with this one here. I like this guy. So let's edit this photo using Trakto. I'm gonna select the photo, press open, connect apps, and then you have a list of different apps that you can connect. Let's start with Trakto. So let's connect. Now Trakto is connecting straight to Dropbox and asking for you to authorize Trakto to access your files. All you have to do is press one button, allow. After that, Trakto is taking care of everything with Dropbox. We are accessing your files, bringing your files inside Trakto, and you don't have to create an account. You don't have to sign up. Everything is free and seamless. Right now, I'm inside Trakto. So let me guide you through our interface. It's super intuitive. On the left side, you have different elements that you can add from text, image, GIFs, videos, shapes, and stickers, like a bunch of different elements that you can add. You also have here is your page. If you select the photo, then you're gonna see on the right panel, on the right side, we call sidebar, where you can actually do your magic. So it's super fun to use Trakto. Let me add a mask on this guy here, a circular mask. It's just one button, and then you can put the photo inside a circular mask. You can do a star. You can do multiple and different shapes that you can actually have fun playing with. So you can also scale down and scale back. So let's try using different shapes. You can also, if you press the plus sign, you actually have a bunch of different shapes you can search for. But in this case, let's try the speech bubble one. So with the speech bubble, it's super simple for you to add. If you don't like the result, just press to remove the mask, and then voila, you have the photo back again. So super simple to use, right? But Trakto also has a unique thing that's a one-click background removal, which is awesome. So if you press background removal, what Trakto is doing right now, it's using AI to be able to remove the background. You don't have to do anything. It's just wait a few seconds and it's removing the yellow background. So we can create like a unique design out of that photo. As I was mentioning, everything was built to be super simple and also a seamless experience when you were editing or adding different stuff. There you go. Now we have the background removed from that photo and looks great. So right now, let's do something. Let's change the page background. Right now it's color, but you can do, if you press color, you can actually select different colors here. If you have the hexadecimal, you can add here, but you can change for different colors. I think like this blue looks good. So let's also add a text to it. I'm gonna press text, and then you have a different text here that you can do. So this is, let me show you. This is for product hunt, and that's it. I type it that. Now I can change the typeface. We have a bunch of different typeface that you can select from. Let's get one that looks good. All right, this one here looks good. And now let's change the color. So if you press color, now you can select like a different color for it. I'm gonna keep this yellow here. It looks good. We also have color palettes that makes super fun for you to create different titles. But that looks good. And right now, let's try to do something fancy. Let's add a shape on the background. So I'm gonna press shape. And now we have a bunch of different shapes that you can search for. I'm gonna start with a basic one, which is a circle. So let's add this one here. Once you add it, you can scale and then you can play around. And right now, I have this menu here where I can change the color. So I'm gonna press color and change to white. That looks good. It's okay. Or maybe a light green, maybe a light blue, a different like a dark blue. Let me add a white just for the sake of it. And now let's send it to the background. I'm gonna press layering and backward. See? Now it's already on the background and you can still like move and scale and play around. But right now looks fun. Let's also add something better. Let's add an icon. If you press icons, Trakto has hundreds of thousands of different icons where you can select. So we start with arrows, but you can actually search for anything. So let me start with love. Let's see what it shows. Once you type it, it takes like a few seconds to generate. So we have a bunch of different icons that you can choose for, that you can choose from. So let me get started with this one here. That looks good. That one. Okay. So this little guy is saying that I love Tracto and I love Product Hunt as well. So super easy to use. And this is ready to go. I think that's good enough. So all you have to do to get back to your same design, to Dropbox with your design, is save to Dropbox. Once you press that, Trakto is already saving the file on a PNG format, and it's going to redirect you to your document. So let me access in Dropbox. So now I'm on Dropbox right now, and voila, this is a high resolution file. So super easy, right? Like super cool to do it. Like you can do like many different effects, and so you see it's a non-destructive one. We do a copy, so you're gonna see like edited by Trakto right here. So in few seconds, actually to be precise, in 5 minutes, we went from this photo here to this guy here. So I hope you guys have fun. You can do that with many different photos. You can do you can play with filters, with different filters like Instagram like filters. Once you want to edit, all you have to do, this photo, it's a high resolution with 14 megabytes. All I have to do is press open with Trakto, and now same thing. Trakto is sending that 14 megabyte file straight to our editor. So you're gonna edit in high resolution, super easy to use, super fun as well. Same thing, you don't have to worry about file size, scaling, or whatever. So this is a nice photo from my hometown called Maceió. And if you select this photo, I wanna just like add some filter to it. We have a bunch of different effects here. I'm gonna press duotone and see, with one click, you can change like the whole mood of the photo. Let's say you wanna add like some effects, you wanna edit like super fast, and you can apply. We have a bunch of different ones that you can choose from. We also have filters like Instagram like filters. So we have a bunch of different filters on the right side. We call sidebar. So you can choose from, and you can change. See how it changed like the mood of the photo as well. So I'm gonna select this right here, call it cold, and it's gonna show like a purple kind of look on the photo. And I think that's good enough. I'm gonna save to Dropbox, and that's it. So I hope you guys like it, and please thumbs up, and see you soon. Bye bye.